Equilibrium between ADF and ASF. Keynes' theory of employment, a simple two-sector economy consisting of the household sector and the business sector, is taken to understand the equilibrium between aggregate demand function and aggregate supply function. Keynes explained the theory of employment with two-sector economy, household sector and business sector. All the decisions concerning consumption expenditure are taken by the individual household. The business firms take decisions concerning investment. Equilibrium between ADF and ASF. In the figure, the aggregate demand AD and aggregate supply AS reach equilibrium at point E. The employment level is N0 at that point. In the figure, at ON1 employment, the aggregate supply is N1R1 lower than the aggregate demand N1M1. The expected level of profit is M1R1. To attain this level of profit, entrepreneurs will employ more laborers. The tendency to employ more labor will stop once they reach point E. At all levels of employment beyond ON0, the aggregate demand curve is below the aggregate supply curve, indicating loss to the producers. Hence, they will never employ more than ON0 labor. It is important to note that the equilibrium level of employment need not be the full employment level N1. It is understood that the difference between N0 minus NF is the level of unemployment. Thus, the concept of effective demand becomes significant in explaining the underemployment equilibrium.